So one of the issues we wanted to cover was you can see that gap on the front plate. So it still feels like it's on there solid, but you want to eliminate that front gap if you can. So in order to do that, when you do the initial installation, you want to adjust this plate and then the bottom plate, and then the pin. So we just want to start again from the beginning. So we're going to loosen up the locking pin using the wrench in your kit so that that's done. And then we're going to undo the nuts on the back, and just so it drops the bottom plate back down again. Just make sure you're holding on to your rail easy while you're doing this. There you go. So now we're kind of back to the position number one where we started. We make sure the top plate screws are unscrewed. And now we have those 3 adjustment points right back to the beginning where we can adjust. So you just want to make sure that the plate is completely locked at the top first. It's horizontal, it's straight, it's not bending up, and then it's still touching there. So we're going to tighten that in the position. Do not worry about the back plate at the moment, because we're going to bring that down. And we just want to make sure we're eliminating that gap. And one thing that's important is you don't really have to worry about the space in the back at the moment, this space up top here. Don't worry about that, because the front is touching, and it'll be touching at the back point here. We're going to have it touching at the bottom, and then we also have the locking pin that's going to be holding it in place. So we just want to first address that issue of making sure you get rid of that front gap.